Hello friends, myself Ginu here. I am a guest DT for Craftologer. Today I'll be making a video on decoupage papers and their different uses. I'll be sharing you how you can use this decoupage papers not just by doing it decoupage, but you can make beautiful cards out of it, which are very economical, and in no span of time you can make beautiful cards. For example, this is a card which has a 3D look given to it. This has shimmers in it. See this. You can make different size. You can create beautiful paper tolling on it. Using different techniques, you can give beautiful backgrounds. You can do stenciling, paper tearing, many different things you can do, and you can create beautiful cards from it. For that you will be needing cardstocks. You can use any cardstock. Craftologer has multi-purpose cardstocks which are round about 300 GSM. You can cut it into different size according to the card you want to make. Here I have done some kind of pre-preparations, like this is 6.5 by 12 inches to make a card. This is 6 by 6 inches, so that like that you can make many preparations. You can do it. A fussy cutting scissor, few distressing. This is optional. If you wish, you can take it, otherwise it's optional. A brush, water, and Fevicol. Yes, you heard it right, Fevicol. We here will be using, you can use any kind of local glue. It is not necessary that for using this tissue papers you will need Mod Podge or any glue or something. This is Insto card, wherein you don't need Mod Podge. You are not going to do decoupage on it, so you can use Fevicol also. See, so I have taken some tissues. I'll be selecting what card I am going to make. You have to choose the tissues, making it like here. If you see, I have done a 3D thing on it. So how can I use the tissue? What image I can use? In that way, according to that, you have to use. For example, in this I have layered. I have done paper tolling on these things. Duck, the half egg, butterflies. If you see, I'll just open it and show it to you how I have used it. You can use even glossy accent. This all are optional stuff. Distressing, glossy accent, this all are optional. For example, like this butterfly, I have done 3D to it. See, if you can see the card, I have done layering to it. I have applied glossy accent and given a puffy look, glossy look. Craftologer has wide range. See this. If you can see, here I have completely made it, as in you can use it in a form of a sticker also. If you punch this thing and you add the key ring and a keychain ring on it, and you can use it as a keychain too. This everything is being made from tissues. Craftologer has wide range of tissues. You can use this, and for creating this backgrounds, not necessary sorry, excuse me. For creating this kind of backgrounds, this water effect backgrounds, you have to choose distressing or chalk colors according to the base of the tissue, which works well with it. So you have to choose it according to your choice. So for me, I think I'll be going it with this tissue and with this tissue, as this has many elements which I can work on. For example, if you have such kind of tissues, you can do the process. You can highlight these two jokers, these caps. You can highlight these things. Once we start with the procedure, then I will show you how you can highlight and do it. So let's get started. For this I will be using this tissue. For this I am taking 6 inch by 6 inch cardstock, 6 inch by 12 inch cardstock. This you can take any card papers which you want, but generally we don't take it black because black won't look nice. You won't get the effects what you want, because the prints are on a lighter base. You can do it, the base would be black cardstock, and on that top of it you can take a white cardstock and you play with it and then you work. So in this I am planning to take tattered rose, tumbled glass, twisted citrons, these three colors, because they have blue, green and tattered rose kind of shade, pinkish shade in this tissue. I'll be using that things and I'll be making a card out of it. So what I have to do, what I'll be doing is, this is one of the method which you do it in card making or envelope making for the base. This is known as crawl and walk technique. See, I am taking this green color, then I am taking this blue color, and the third one is tattered rose. Now I'll be splashing water on it. Right now the background is black, so you are not able to see, but once it comes on the paper you will understand how it comes. This is the cardstock where I am working on it. So I'll directly take this and I'll twist on it. See the background which is being created. Hope you can see the backgrounds. See. In this way the background is being created. You dry it this and you clean the rest of the tissue with the tissue. With this backgrounds you can create beautiful cards out of it. You can create many beautiful stuff. Say, still if I want, I should make it light. I'll splash water. I will crawl and walk technique again on these things and I will merge it. I'll make it lighter. See, I wouldn't mind it doing again and again. I just have to take care that it dries easily, and it is being done. I will dry this up and I'll come back. I am drying it with a hair dryer. I am not using any kind of heat tool in this because this is okay. I don't mind using a hair dryer to it. Yeah. If you can see, there are some kind of spots also, and the shade of green, blue and pink. Now what we'll be doing is, we'll be making a solution. I'll keep it to dry aside. I'll keep this aside. What we'll be doing is, we'll be making a solution of Fevicol and water. This would be our solution. I am just taking some Fevicol and water and I am diluting it. This all things are what we used to make it initially during our school days. The same things are being used here, just giving it a different technique, a different name. People are not knowing how to use decoupage tissues in different forms. This is one of the forms which you can use tissues. I'll just tear off the tissue. Remember here, I have not removed the ply yet. That thing you have to do it only in the end. You will be using two tissues. You have to, while you are taking a design also, you have to see if the designs are on the opposite side. You have to match the designs and you have to cut the tissue. It is not like you can take this tissue and the here the girl image is of the opposite side, so you can't use that. Here I'll be taking this tissue with this image itself. I can't take this tissue and this girl. So take care of that thing, which is very important. The reason is because when you will be doing a 3D work, it should be on top of it rather than taking different tissues where there would be no coordination. In this way, you can make from one tissue, you can create 2 cards. So now we'll be removing the ply. This is 1 ply. This is 3 ply German tissue. This is 1 ply. This is 2 ply. And the third one is the tissue. So we'll get back to this card. And here I'll be placing on top of it. If you can see, while I'll press and I'll show, you can see there would be light shades on the background. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be applying a glue. While applying glue also, you have to take care that you stick the glue properly in all areas, especially the corners. And in same way, while you are doing decoupage, when you don't apply the glue properly, there would be some kind of bubbles which you get it. In this way also, you will get the bubbles, the paper won't stick in that area. So you have to be very careful that you stick the tissues properly. I'll be cleaning. Sorry for the voice. I have got a bad cold. Wait for few seconds. Since there is a water content in the glue, we have to wait for few minutes, and you can see there would be a lump on the paper. The paper would wobble up because there is water content, moisture. See. All the remaining things you have to do it the same way as you do decoupage. The other thing, what procedure here you can do it, if you feel there would be chances of getting wrinkles or anything, you can use your iron and press it. See, I'll be cutting off the extra pieces. See. And now what I'll be doing it of the other piece which I had told you, I'll be taking this piece and I would be overlapping it. So I'll be taking another cardstock and the other tissue which I had kept aside. I won't be sticking the whole thing. I'll just make it a point that this much area is been covered nicely, which I can fussy cut it. So here I have removed all the plies from it. Now I'll be again gluing it. This cards you can sell it off in the range of 100-150 rupees depending on how good layering you are doing it and how beautifully you are enhancing your card, because these are very instant, very unique, and how good the tissue collections you are having. I just loved this process of making cards. Why? Because it's instant, it is mess free, and for this you don't need any kind of high funda materials. It's just the basic glue. You don't need any tools, nothing. and in no time your card has been ready. See, I'll just dried it up. I'm not worried about whether this edges are been stuck properly or not, because I just want to highlight this area. This is dried completely, and this card is also dried, almost dried. If you notice, I don't know whether it is visible in this video or not. If you notice, there is background color shades is being seen in this thing. This extra pieces I would be sanding it off. So now in this card, what we'll be doing is we'll be fussy cutting it in the area, and I'll show it. While fussy cutting, you also have to take care that the border is never been cutted. The paper should be very nice. You don't have to again and again break it, and you don't have to lift it. You just have to move the paper and your hand. This will give you a very nice fussy cutting look. With the variety of tissues, you can create beautiful cards, and you can highlight it with flowers and everything, whatever way you wish it, and very nice for gifting. So this is one of the way generally what I use, and this is a trending style in US also for using tissues. See, I have done a fussy cutting. It gives a very beautiful lace effect. I am cutting the designs which is being seen like this. I'll be overlapping here in such a way. What I'll be doing is I'll highlight my few points with glossy accent. For sanding, I'll be using sandpaper, and I'll be sanding it like this. I don't use directly scissor because for me this is very easy and fast. In decoupage also you can use this technique, but it is just that for decoupage you use specific glue. You can do this with Mod Podge also, but then when it is Instacart and without using any high-end material, why do we need to use Mod Podge? So this is very good, and even for people who are doing workshops, kids workshops, and they don't want to use materials which are not easily available in the market. So this is, according to me, this is very good for people who wants to take kids classes, kids craft activity. So now I'll be using a two-way tape to highlight it, or you can say to raise the article, do the layering. You just have to make it a point that whenever you are sticking it, it should not be seen from any side. Like whenever you twist the cards or anything, whatever you are layering it, it should not be seen. So do it very nicely. In say roundabout, if all the materials and everything is ready, within 20 to 30 minutes your one card is ready. And nowadays you get a huge range of tissues, be it on any theme. In such this way you can make an invite card also, which would be again a handmade stuff. I am just placing it slide down because I am doing a layering. Can you see? And now for highlighting, what I'll be doing is with the help of a finger dauber, I'll be coloring it, taking citrus, twisted citron, and I am just highlighting it. Can you see the green tone? Nowadays you are getting this bride, birthdays and all such kind of tissues. With that you can make good invites, personalized invites for your friends, close family members, everything. I'll be just doing a slight highlighting part also here. See, and this I'll be doing the highlighting part for this cards. I'll be doing it both together. Now I'll be doing another card. We'll do the preparations.